What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a portrait illustration of Donatello from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. For this lesson we'll need some paper and a pencil. I'll be drawing with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. Now I want to begin by breaking down the basic shape of our drawing. Let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We'll start from the very top in the middle. I'm just going to lightly work my way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Let's go back to the center of our page and draw another line going across from left to right. So we'll start with the left side and then just stretch that out towards the right. Now you use these two lines to help us create a large circle in the center of our page to define the size of the head. So from the center point, let's move up to the top. I'm just going to mark the head off around here. And I'll measure that same distance from the center down towards the bottom. Let's repeat that across this horizontal line, measuring the distance from the center down towards the left and then over towards the right. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. Let's start with the top left and work our way counterclockwise. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We're just using this as a guide. We can always go back and just smooth this out. Now that we have our circle and guidelines, we're going to start blocking the basic shape of the head. Let's start on the side of our circle. We're going to add a curve going up towards the top, across the muzzle, and then bend that back down. Let's mark off the inside edge of the eyes. Leave a gap in the center. Let's step over toward the left, right about here. Sketch a line going up. Now we're going to take that same distance from the center over towards the right. From this point, we're going to sketch a half oval. We're going to go up towards the top of the eye, and then bend that back down towards this curve. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around and then down. Now from the side of our circle, we want to step up and draw the top of the mask. And we want to go thicker as we go up toward the top, just up above the eyes. Go across and then bend that back down so it's narrow along the sides. Let's add a thick edge along the top of the brow. So on the outside, we're going to go up above the eye, going across the mask and then in. Let's give our character some expression. On top of the left eye, we're going to step to the outside, curve this in and then down towards the inside, round out the brow and just pull that back up. Now you want to raise the brow on the right side. Starting from the top of the eye, bend this down and in, and curve that up towards the inside. Just overlap the outside of the eye. Let's bring the lower eyelid up on the left side. We go up and then down. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, draw a circle, going around, just tuck that in. Do the same thing on the right. Now we want to go back to the bottom edge of the mask and just bump out the cheeks. So start on the left, just going to go out, come around, and just pull that in towards the bottom of our circle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now over on the left side of the head, we're going to draw the top of the mouth. We're going to start by going up toward that center line, curve this in, down, and then in towards the middle. Bend the mouth going out and then up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side, round out the mouth, come down. I just want to bend this in and up towards the right, and then come down. Curve the side of the mouth, just tuck that in underneath the mouth on the right. Just underneath the mouth, let's add a fold, going across. Now I want to add the end of the headband over on the right side. So starting from the side of the headband, go out, down, and then in. From the bottom, goes out and bend that up, come down and then in towards the side of the head. Let's go up to the top corner of that knot, come down, up, and then out. Bend this up and then down towards the side. Now that we have the rough sketch in place, let's go back and clean up our drawing by erasing some of these guidelines. And now we're going to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us add some more detail and refine the shapes. Let's start with the top edge of the muzzle. We start underneath the eye. We're just going to curve this up in towards the middle. And I just want to thicken up that line in the center just to give this a little bit of weight. Go across and then bring that down on the right. Just sort of aiming towards the top of the corner of the mouth, right about there. Now let's draw on the brow. Starting on the left, Add some thickness across the bottom. Working our way across. On the right side, we're going to raise the brow a little bit higher. And we'll round out the mask in between the brow. Now on the outside, we want to add a few folds. So we're just going to bend this up and then in about halfway. And then layer the top in behind, going up, and go in behind the brow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just rounding out the side, adding that fold, going up and then in. Now we're just working our way across the side of the head up towards the top. And we kind of want to layer the head in behind the mask. So we're just going to step in. So it overlaps the head. And we'll go back and just darken up the pupils. Let's add a small circle on the top of the pupils for a highlight. And we'll darken up the bottom of the eyes. Let's add some folds in the center of those knots. Going across. And once we finish darkening up our contours, I'm going to go back and just clean up our drawing one final time. Now we're going to add in the teeth. Let's start from the top corner. Just going to bend this down and in about halfway. Just going to add a guideline going across, towards the right, in between the teeth, and then out towards the side. I'm going to set the bottom row of teeth underneath. Let's darken up the corners of the mouth. And we just want to separate the teeth along the bottom. So adding a tapered line, starting with the top row, and just working our way in and across towards the right. And we want to offset the bottom row of teeth in between. I'm just going to add the gum line just over on the left side. Now in And this final step, I'm just going to go in with the side edge of my pencil and darken up the inside of the mask. I'm just going to add a slightly darker shadow just underneath the brow. And the mouth is going to cast a light shadow across the top of the teeth. And once we finish shading in our drawing, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Donatello from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.